Hi there. If you're watching this video, that means you have signed up to take World Religion Online. PHI 2613 is the course number, and I assume that you're supposed to be here, so welcome. Glad that you're in the class. We're going to have a good time this semester. This is one of those classes that would really be fun to do in a face-to-face setting, but that's not where we are. So here we are doing this online. My name is Dr. Joe Cole, and I'll be your instructor this semester for world religion. We're basically going to look at the 5 major world religions, get a little bit of their theology, get a little bit of their history. We'll look at the readings and where they come from, where they are in the world, and how people think differently in each one, and a little bit of how they interact together. You have 2 textbooks that you'll need for the class. You can find both of them on the home page. One of them is already in your course on your bookshelf. It's an online version of Experiencing the World's Religions by Malloy. There's a picture there of the other text that you need. You're going to have to go out and buy that text or order it from Amazon or somewhere. It's not very expensive, $10 or $12 I think, but you'll have reading assignments that come from that text as well. So you can find a picture of it on this page where you found this video, and on the home page, as well as in some other places throughout the course. So you need the 2 textbooks for the class. We are going to do a good bit of work. You're going to do a good bit of reading. You're going to do some writing. You're going to answer some questions. You're going to give me some thought things. We'll do some discussion, online discussion, where you type out your thoughts and others have the opportunity to respond to that. And so as we go through the course, we try to make up for some of that not being face-to-face by doing things that way. I want you to be successful, so you're probably going to have some questions along the way about how to do something or what you're supposed to do. Feel free to email me. It's probably the easiest way to get in touch with me. My email address is listed in several places throughout the course material. You can email me, you can text me, and if you have to, call me. That's fine. Don't mind that. Don't call me at 2 o'clock in the morning when you're trying to figure something out. Wait till, I don't know, maybe about 7:30 the next morning. But if you have questions, feel free to ask them. I want you to be successful. And one of the best ways you can be successful is by keeping up with the class. Don't get behind. If you go a week and you don't post anything in the class, you don't submit an assignment, then you're absent that week. If that happens twice, you get kicked out of the class. That's not my decision, that's Home's decision. So just keep up and make sure that you submit an assignment. Just because you open an assignment and read it, that doesn't mean that you showed up in the class that week. You've got to actually turn something in. So always do that. Start on Monday. Start Monday and do some of the reading. Look at some of the notes. There'll be a discussion board in each week's module, at least one. Try to have that in by Wednesday. It's not due until Sunday, but try to have it in by Wednesday so others can respond to your discussion and you can respond to them. Just don't put everything off to the end of the week. You'll get behind in a hurry doing that. I grade pretty easy. If you show some effort and put some thought into it and do the assignments, you're going to do fine in this class. But it is a fair amount of material and a good bit of reading to do. So just stay ahead and don't get behind. As you work through the course, use the Modules tab on the left side of your screen. That Modules tab will take you to what we've got to do for this week. The course is set up to work through it in modules. So you've got a week's worth of work at a time, and everything you need for that week will be in that module. If you go to the assignment tab or the discussion tab or the quiz tab, you may miss something, or you may do something you didn't have to do. So go to the modules tab and use that, and you'll be in good shape. You'll cover everything you need to do. Each week's module opens at midnight on Sunday night, Monday morning, and goes to 11:59 midnight on the next Sunday. So that's the way everything is due. So you've got Sunday night to Sunday night to get everything done. Do your discussions early, mentioned that already. There's lots of information on this page where you found this video, as well in the rest of this module, so be sure to read everything carefully. And again, if you have questions, let me know. I'm looking forward to a great semester studying the world's religions with you. I'll see you soon. by computer and all. Bye.